The Ulta Beauty Eye Envy Kit is available now for $24 with 10 eye makeup game changers to elevate your lash game. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Transform your look this holiday season with our Eye Envy Kit featuring dazzling eyeshadows, bold liners, and volumizing mascara. This kit has everything you need to create stunning, festive looks. The kit will include About Face, matte fluid eye paint, Capulets, full size, 0.15 ounce, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel, 0.15 ounce, Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes, Intense Black, 0.01 ounce, Essence Lash Princess FL Mascara, full size, 0.4 ounce. Half Magic Beauty Face Gems, Iridescent Sparkle, bonus item, 72 crystals. KVD Beauty Tattoo Pencil Liner, Trooper Black, 0.01 ounce. NYX Professional Makeup Vivid Matte Liquid Liner, full size, 0.06 ounce. Polite Society Travel Size Greatest Lashes of All Time, Legendary Volume, Lift and Length Mascara, 0.2 ounce. Pure Fully Charged Mascara Mini, 0.14 ounce. Rabine Euphoria Famous Mascara, 0.05 ounce. Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, 0.008 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.